Hey everybody, so I got the Optima branded digital 1200 charger and maintainer here today. So we're gonna go through it, unboxing information, we're gonna check it out, we're gonna look at it. I do have an upcoming set of videos for these, this charger as well as the 400 model, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so today we have the Optima Digital 1200. I did a previous video on this. This is going to be the unboxing. We're going to reread over the specs. We're going to take it out the box. All that good stuff. So this is the Optima branded Digital 1200 12 volt performance charger and battery maintainer. For 12 volt automotive, motorcycle, marine, tractor, power sports, RVs, and more. Enhances the performance of Optima and other AGM batteries. Charges, conditions, and maintains 12 volt AGM and flooded batteries. Flooded batteries could also be considered standard batteries, which are just lead acid batteries. Recovers deeply discharged batteries and extends battery life. LCD battery charging gauge and quick set selections for easy operation. Integrated plus charging clamp, LED work light with non-slip grip. USB charging port compatible with iPad, iPhone, and cell phones and cameras. Battery maintainer port and cable for stored vehicles. We go to this side. Tech specs: AC input 90 to 135 VAC, 60 Hz. DC output 13.3 to 14.9 VDC digital and temperature controlled. Charging rate 12 amps maximum large batteries, up to 3 amps small batteries, and 0 to 4 amps maintain mode. Battery types: AGM and flooded lead acid batteries. This will not work with gel batteries as far as I know. If I can find out more information from Optima, I will do an update. I'll either add the update in this video in the description, or I will do a separate video on it. 12 volt auto and marine, 12 volt motorcycle and power sports, 12 volt Optima and high performance AGM batteries. Starting AGMs include Optima red top and blue top, dual purpose AGMs including Optima yellow top and blue top. It's got a 6-foot AC and DC cable, 6-foot maintainer cable. You can use this on any AGM battery. The other great thing about this unit is, for my, if I remember correctly, when I was looking at information about these, I did talk about these. I had showed them on my phone because I looked them up on a previous video, which was a quick tips on how to recover an AGM battery. These can recover a battery down to 0.50 volts, which is a half a volt, which is nice, where a lot of chargers, they cannot recover or charge a 12 volt battery because their chips and their smart technology in them does not allow them to charge anything that is registering as a 12 volt battery, but it's under 11.5 volts, so it doesn't register properly. But that's just the information on the box. We're gonna open the box. Grab a knife real quick. It's very well packaged. I did buy this one off of Amazon, which is what I showed in the previous video. You can buy this directly from Optima. The price was the same. I actually did get this, instead of $199, I got it for about $170 on Amazon, because a couple days later it went down in price. I also have the smaller model, which is the 400 digital 400 model, and I will definitely be doing a video similar to this on that one as well. It's got foam. It's very nicely packaged. I will not be doing a demonstration on this video, but I will be demonstrating it in another video. In other video, the reason I'm going to be demonstrating it in that video is because I want to also do an informative video at the same time with a battery analyzer to analyze whether the battery has been recovered, because it is been recovered to the sense that it's charging from one of those chargers that doesn't necessarily like anything below 11 point certain volts. It's actually charging and charged and maintaining right now. This one says it's at 100% voltage. It's 12 volts. I did test this on a previous video, which is the video with this 1200 model and the 400 model. Just quick look. I did show a multimeter on this battery, and the battery did show it was at 12.3 something volts. But I'm going to use a battery analyzer. We're going to put the battery under load, test it to see if it actually is been recovered. If it isn't, we're going to utilize this or the 400 model. And I figured that would be a very informative video for you guys. So we do have an instruction user guide. It is a pretty big manual. "27 pages of it is English, which is not bad. It's a pretty nice little compact unit. It's got a pop-up carry handle that clicks when you put it in certain positions, which is nice. It does have jumper cables inside this little cage, which is pretty cool. It also does have other adapters here. It's got a fused line for hooking straight to a battery if you wanted to leave this on a battery, as well as it looks like an extension for that as well, which is very nice. So this is similar to, you know, a lot of those cheaper, what are they called? Oh, the battery juniors and stuff like that, where they come with these style clamps, and you just hook this up to straight to this, and you plug it in, and it's good. The power cord is wrapped. Got a little tether strap. Let's move the camera in a little closer. It's got a little rubber tether strap right here, so you can unwrap the cable. They very well nicely packaged this. Oops, don't want to drop the camera. They put a little twist tie over plastic wrap to keep the cord covered, which is nice, which I just dropped on the floor. And I do have a plug sitting here we can plug this into just to check it out. Turn this off so you guys might be able to see it. Oh, it's too bright. Camera can't see that. That's interesting. It says make a quick set selection now. Check connection. So it does want to see a battery. It's got the maintainer options over here. Battery maintainer, auxiliary maintainer, LCD backlit. That's pretty nice. You can turn that off. There you go. And make a quick selection. Auto and marine, motorcycle, pre-charge status, auxiliary maintainer, plug-in on side, which is this guy right here. It does have a USB port and an auxiliary section, which is nice, which is those cables that I kind of slid out the bag and I showed you guys. So you don't always have to hook it up through the clamps, which is very nice. You can hook it up through one of those systems if you get multiples. Oh, why does the camera keep doing that? That's why the camera's doing that. Okay, sorry about that, guys. It's got temperature and compensation on. You know, it's nice that it's got all these features. Unplug it. There you go. Does it always turn the light on? Yes, it does. That's good to know. We're not going to test it on this video because I still want to do that other video. I want to make sure that everything is set up for a good video, especially if it does state that it might be bad battery. So I do want to, just for the heck of it, I do want to try to do a video where I use my battery tester, battery analyzer, to see if the battery is considered a bad battery. But it is a very nice compact unit. I do like that it's got this rubber cover for this piece. I do like that the handle clicks when you put it down and when you pull it up. I do like the rubber strap for the power cord, and I do like that the cables and everything are inside this door. That is very nice. So the auxiliary would be these two cables right here, and you can buy these cables from probably Walmart that run off of this style plug. You know, these are the styles that you get for like the Battery Junior, the Battery Tender Junior and Battery Tender brand. They have these styles. And this is just a cover. It's just the two-stepped, one prong, one knot. This right here. They have covers on them, and it's wrapped. It looks like that. Or it's actually stepped. There you go. So the long prong is on one side, and then there's a female on the other. But I don't want to use them right now. I don't want to mess with them. I don't actually need them at this moment. But this would be something that would be used as the maintainer side. You would not use these to jump a vehicle or anything like that, which this, I think, does give the option for that, if I remember correctly. Very nice clamps. But, you know, it was very well packaged, very nicely assembled. It looks great. It does remind me of a fancy version of their Optima batteries. These, I do not think, I'd have to read more in the information, but I am pretty positive these do not do 6-volt batteries. But just a quick unboxing, some information that I had on the outside of the box. I will try to find more out to be able to provide more information. I will also probably add a comment in the comment section with updated information if I found anything else relevant. but I did also get the 400 model, which is this little guy right here, which will be the next video that we're going to unbox and take a look at. It's a nice little unit as well. I do appreciate your guys' time and you hanging out with me today. If there's anything you guys want to see in the usage videos, because I'm going to be doing, we're actually going to be testing that battery I showed with the battery analyzer, seeing if it can even take ampage draw. If the battery, it was under 2.24 volts for a little over a week. I wasn't able to get to it in time when I found the parasitic draw. But I don't know if that, because I had to trick that charger 4 or 5 different times to get it to even charge it up to 12 volts, which is why I picked this guy up, in case that one can't do it, which it is now. I must have tricked it enough that it's now constantly charging it, because it's now stating it's at 12.34 volts, and it's holding that voltage fine, so it's maintaining that battery. But just because it's maintaining it doesn't mean that the battery, you know, isn't putting out 100 amps when it's supposed to be putting out 1,000 amps. So that's why I figured we use the battery analyzer from Foxwell. I have a couple different ones. We'll utilize that and show it in use, as well as show this or this guy in use. If that's information that would be helpful to you guys, let me know down in the description. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and sticking with me through the unboxing. Hopefully it wasn't a bad unboxing. We took it out real quick, unpackaged it, started talking about it. I do appreciate you guys sticking around and hanging out with me today, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. I did a recent live stream for a lot of the new Milwaukee tools for Milwaukee Pipeline. Go check out the episode 1 of that, a live stream, which was the live event from Milwaukee. I also put some links down in the description to that video if you guys are looking at pre-ordering any of those new Milwaukee Pipeline tools or NPS 2020 tools being released. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video, and thank you so much for sticking by. Peace!